UMLA ko Umsning constituency uba Jason S. Maulong haka khat nyautari gurisau ulabo maunong rem yaka Kamra Klas Bathymmai additional classroom jangka Balawan College ha Umsning. Hakani kasngi la sakhilang da UBDO Umsning CNRD block Raja Brahma Reverend Father Pius Shada Parish Priest Father Lawrence Karluni Principal Balawan College Sister Alfonza Varghese Principal St. Michael's High Secondary School Umsning lambat kiwe kiri rangba kinong hikai pat ki khana school. Yakateka Kamra Klas Bathymmai labai bisa lengba ka scheme SRWP jong snam arjar khatkhandai hadu arpau haka jinglut ka bakot chaka pralaktam. Habakran hakateka sngi uba Jason S. Maulong uda kentu yaki samla pule baki dei ban minat top amtang bakin yo yaki Kamra Klas ki babiang hendrai bandan ru ka thong haka jing em jengki bandang kiu shaprang ha baro kiliang klem da pensab e yakapor namar ki hybrid kilong kalawe jong ka jilla.
Kadi kata ka jing trang na ladi na po that fire in the belly show mo they fire in the belly kadi bandon ka jing trang na ladi te kat ba phile ka jing jong ladi ya shakmat ndai ba fin doubt yourself, never doubt yourself, ndai ban doubt ulai la ku yu bro khai ni don la ka sap ko pang ne trei minot ya shakmat ni don la kan ne de phi student especially ko don ne Kaso ay mensi mi pi nakadon ka ba pi dong kam haka mo gidon mi ka ba pi parish priest dong ba pi Father Lawrence ba pi sister ka lang ni tirong ba ka lang ni nang dong ka lang ba pi anything baka dong kam college ka nasutho ka prala kamyang ka building ka balay sa malama at ay di wi classroom ba rin atay ni ba yatan tinganget ba ka scheme dong kam saput ta ni atay nakarman ka kulay kaniyat ba apply in your head so yung job ba gintay show ika jing long kan hune po college nga so ba hindi nung issue kwenta nga taga science lab nang issue kwenta nga building ka ay manong kamakmat ba hindi man produce kita ki students ki bami nang ni kilong taga chlor ki chlor hindi tang ta jing sorong nga ring asam kadi jing sorong taga district hi taga state.
And within some period, like we met principal, father and all, they told that about this, we need extension of building and all. We talked and within short, after 2-3 days, I got a call from MLA. Told me, Brahma, you start processing, we will be sanctioning amount of something 8 lakhs plus. They've started. So I think his vision is very good and dynamic, towards the objective what he wants to achieve, this education system. And we have been always in touch, like regarding employment also. There's a serious question like, who get employment and me as a DSC member secretary, we are always in touch that even now also we are facing hurdle of so many cases are going on. But having said that thing, what I'm telling you today is that yes, education is there, the system is there. St. Michael's School is one of the center of excellence in Umsning. It's like a glowing star. You can see things happening here. And a very remote area where most of the rural family, they cannot go and have education far away like in Shillong or Longpo somewhere. This has been, filling gap. There's not a gap in education like, after class 8, after class 10, where you go. When I go to the village area, like for example, like Maurong, and this area, when I interact with the student from Mahati and all, after the class 8, they don't have any more education. After class 6, they don't have. They look forward where the name comes St. Michael. It's true because the government schools are there, but they can cater all the students here. They can fulfill the the seat limitation are there, and even there the standard of teaching. So if you talk in the standard of teaching, you can see the number of seats available and the convenient for the student to travel. All this thing you count it. I think St. Michael's come first in Umsning block, to fill the gap.